Today, we're introducing NeejyMode Medical, a comprehensive study system designed to revolutionize your medical studies. NeejyMode Medical is built on 4 foundational pillars: Prime, Learn, Recall, and Test. Prime provides guidance on time management strategies and productivity tools, laying a solid foundation for successful learning. With Prime, you'll learn how to effectively manage your time, prioritize your tasks, organize your workflows, and create a study schedule that works for you. Learn guides you in selecting the best medical education resources tailored to your unique needs. It also provides guidance on workflow tools to enhance the learning process, including revolutionary artificial intelligence assistants. You'll understand how to learn most effectively, techniques to spread out your learning over time, and how to balance institutional lecture material with third-party resources. Recall consolidates your learning with effective retention strategies. Utilize Anki efficiently and effectively to ensure that you remember what you learn. With Recall, you will master how to make effective Anki cards, active versus passive Anki, Anki settings, Anki keybinds, and how to integrate Anki into your daily workflow. We will also examine the use of AI tools to rapidly enhance card generation. Test ensures you're regularly applying previously learned and retained medical knowledge to deepen your understanding of key concepts in medicine. With Test, you'll discover how to select third-party question banks, how to incorporate questions in your daily routine, how to review questions effectively, and how to build your study schedule when it's time for USMLE-style dedicated. With NeejyMode Medical, we aim to transform your focus, learning, retention, and application of medical knowledge. We're here to support you every step of the way on your journey to mastering your medical studies. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll take a deep dive into each pillar of NeejyMode Medical.